All right, now we're on Soundraw. Welcome to the AI music generation. This is where you create the music. Oh, I want Tokyo Night Pop. I want to see how that sounds. I'm interested in this. About to drop that next song. Come on now. You could do the same. Make this music for your streaming service. Come on, your streaming channel. Do it for YouTube. You need some good music behind you on YouTube. You know it. Or you might want to sell these beats. No matter how you do it, you can make some money. All right. I see it. All right, Tokyo. Let's see how this sounds. Oh, you have like the low, medium, very high. I'm going to try all of them. Let's see. Let's try this. Oh, I'm loving this. Listen to this low. Okay. All right. I want to try some medium. All right. I'm feeling this now. Now you getting into it now. All right, I'm getting into this. I need a little high, very high. Okay. Oh. Okay, now this is a real beat. Hey, I'm feeling this. I can use this for my YouTube channel. What? Let me get very high. Okay. I'm loving this. This could be behind me in my music. Oh my God, I could use this. This is gonna be one of my songs I'm using for YouTube now. What? I love this. You can make money from this. What are you waiting for? Come on. Get on Soundraw. So you can make these beats for people. Oh my goodness. Got me dancing. I'm about to use this one. All right, thank you, Soundraw. Breaking news. Soundraw has teamed up with Grammy-nominated artist French Montana. You know French Montana. He's Mr. Unforgettable. Now he used Soundraw for his track Ride the Wave from his new album Mac and Cheese 5. This partnership is the beginning of Soundraw's collaborations with artists, showing how their AI-generated beats can change music production. Royalty-free beats, making music creation more accessible. French Montana's use of Soundraw's platform highlights his modern approach to music and technology, each with beats made by Soundraw's AI. Just like French is riding his own wave with Soundraw, you can too. Don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe, share, hit the notification bell so that you can learn more about other AI tools like Soundraw that you could turn into your main hustle. Let me know in the comments down below if you're going to try Soundraw as a side hustle. And remember, you are amazing. Bye-bye.